we are sparks of the divinity, that we are love ourselves.
Love. We will always, in various versions, mention love, of course, because it is eventually everything and all that is important, because it is all that is.
Where your heart is, there you'll find the treasure. So it's where we focus our attention, where we focus on our emotions, that eventually we find the treasure that's hidden deep within us.
The source of creation is pure love, pure energy, right? And Omnic always said that because of love, out of love, because it loved itself so much, or it loves itself so much, it wants to continue to exist because it thinks it's so amazing.
The Oversoul is a spiritual being who transcends both time and space. I had a vision, and I met my Oversoul. You know, because we're all created of God's stuff. We all have God within us, and we all have infinite potential.
Twin flame energy is pure, unconditional Venusian love energy.
Contact us through the Venus Spirit website, and if you have any questions, we'll be happy to go over them with you and see if we could find some answers.